Welcome back to Mixing It with Robin. I'm hoping you guys are trying some of our short and sweet recipes. Hopefully you're liking what we're putting out there. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button for me, okay? All right, today, this is an oldie but a goodie. I made these like 30 plus years ago. They were a favorite, and actually they were a favorite for my kids. I used to make it with regular sausage, not the hot sausage back when they were little bitties, but you can make them either way. I prefer Jimmy Dean hot sausage. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna take it fully thawed, okay? If you buy it ahead when it's on sale, best way, then make sure you have it fully thawed and ready to go. And you're gonna add that. We are gonna put a cup of grated cheddar cheese and make sure it is the sharp cheese. And then you're going to add 1 cup of Bisquick to the mix. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna mix this up until it is all incorporated. Your meat, your cheese, everything. And a lot of times, you know what? If it's not going fast enough, it's okay to put those hands in and then just get mixing, because you want to just make sure your Bisquick gets mixed in really, really well. One thing you can add to this that makes these really good, you got it. I'm going to put some more Hatch green chili in it because that's how I roll. Green chili and cream cheese go in just about everything I make, I think. My family teases me all the time about it. So here's how it will look. You're gonna see a lot more of the sausage, and you really wanna get that Bisquick mixed into that sausage. Kind of push on it like you're kneading dough, okay? And then toward the end, go ahead and don't be afraid to add some of those chilies, okay? You can always buy the mild or the medium if you're not into hot like me, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you real quick how to roll a ball. All you're gonna do, and don't make your balls very big. You'll have a lot of these, and these are great pop in your mouth yumminess when they are done. And that's about the size you want, okay? Before you put them in the oven, fill that cookie sheet and put them in to bake on 350. These will take anywhere a good 20-25 minutes, but you want that temperature to be around 145, 155. We just want to make sure our sausage is cooked. So I'll be back when they're out of the oven. All right, the sausage balls that we were making earlier rolled up. They look amazing. They get a little bit of a crusty on them. I call it a crusty, and on the bottom. They taste so good. The Bisquick mixed in gives it that bread-like consistency to tie it all together. But they are amazing, and by using the spicy sausage, it gives you just a little bit of a kick of spiciness, not too much. You can dip them in ranch, you can eat them plain, you can eat anything with these, or just eat them by themselves. They're great. So just put them on a serving plate, put them out there with all your treats for your Super Bowl game or your party or neighbors coming over, anything. They are amazing, quick, and easy, and you saw how fast they mixed up. So I hope you try these. Please subscribe, and if you like them, give us a comment. Let us know what you think, or if you used something else in them, because I used green chili, of course, Hatch green chili from Bueno, but you can use anything in these. So try them at your next party or your next gathering and enjoy. And remember, every day is not going to be a good day, but there is good in every day. So find the good and share it.